how to create group chat on Messenger application or Messenger account. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Messenger application. Here in your Messenger homepage, make sure you log in your account. To create group chat, okay, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can see here the create a new group or create group chat. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can create a group name. Okay, you can tap this. This is a optional only. So this is an example only. Okay, Kabili. After you create a group name, so you can search or find a friend you want to add to your group. So for example, I add this Rincel and I add Riding Kabili. After you add your friend to your group, okay, tap the create button on the upper right side on your screen to create this group chat. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully create new group chat on your Facebook Messenger. And okay guys, to view the member, okay, you can tap the member. Here, the member of my new group chat. And okay, also you can add by tap the add button here. And sample, I add the Chad and tap the button on the upper right side on your screen to add this to your group chat. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully create group chat on Messenger.